Hello, children. Welcome to mathematics class. We're still on our common entrance past question series. So we're going to continue from where we stopped in the last class. Question 41 says simplify 4x plus 45y minus 3x minus 40y. So the first thing you need to do is to collect like things. Bring all the ones that have x together and all the ones that have y together. So I'm going to say 4x minus 3x. This is it, 4x minus 3x plus 45y minus 40y. Can you see that? 4x minus 3x is x and 45y minus 40y is 5y. So x plus 5y. Is that taken? Okay, good. 42 says we should simplify 0.35 plus 0.083 plus 0.037 plus 95. Now, these are decimal numbers, so the arrangement is very important. 0.35, 0.083. These decimal numbers must be on the same line. 0.037, 9.5. At the end of the day, everything should be on the same line. Now, if you like, you can add 0, 0, 0 to these empty spaces, or you can leave them the way they are. 3 plus 7 is 10. 0. I'll bring 1 to this place. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. I'll write 7 and bring 1 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So I'll write my 9. And then this is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9. 9. So my answer is 9.970. 9.970. Did you see that? Beautiful. Okay, the next question says, what is 50% of 100 kg? 50% of 100 kg, that's 50 over 100 times 100. 100 will cancel out 100. I'm left with 50. That is 50 kilograms. Did you see that? Beautiful. The next question says, if 6 similar packets weigh 847 kilograms, find the weight of each packet. So I have 6 packets and they weigh this. Find the weight of one. I would say 847 divided by 6. So 847 divided by 6. And that will give me 141.17 kilograms. Did you see that? Then number 45 says, in a class of 220 pupils, 1 over 4 are girls. How many boys are there? So first of all, let's look for what 1 over 4 of 220 is. 1 over 4 times 220. 4 here, 1. 4 in 22 is 5. I'm left with 2. I'll put it here. 4 in 20 is another 5. So 55 girls. So if I have 55 girls, to know the number of boys, I would say the number of pupils minus the number of girls. I have 220 pupils. I have 55 girls. 220 minus 55 is 165. So I have 165 boys in the class. If I say 165 plus 55, it gives me 220. So that means this is the answer. 46 says decrease 150 in the ratio 3 over 5. Decrease, because I'm decreasing, the smaller number will be on top. 3 over 5 times 150. But if I was to increase, it would be 5 over 3 times 150. But I'm decreasing. So 3 over 5 times 150. 5 here 1, 5 here 3, and 0. That's 30. 30 times 3. So this is a 3 times 30 is 90. So I have decreased 150 in the ratio 3 over 5. Okay, 47 says write in figures 6,256,341,121. Now, to make this easy, I want to write out all the place values. You have units, tens, hundred, thousand, tens of thousand, hundred of thousand, million, 10 million, 100 million, and billion. So I'm going to be putting each value under the place value. I have 6 billion, so I'm going to put my 6 under billion. 255 million. This is 200 million. So I'll put 2 here, million. 55, this 50 is tens of millions. So I'll put 5 here. That's tens of million. 5 is under million. I'll put it here. 300. 3 will be under 100 of thousand. 41, that means this 40 is tens of thousands. So I'll put 40 here. 1 is 1,000. 1 is under 1,000. 100, that is 1 under 100. And 20, 20 is tens. 2 under tens. 1 here. Did you see that? So now that I've arranged each of the figure under their place value, then I'll write everything out. 6, 2, 5, 5, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 1. So this is 6,255,341,121. So I have written it in figures. But there are people who can write this out without writing out this place value. If you can do that without the place value, fine. Just make sure you don't make a mistake. Do we understand that? Beautiful. 48. What is the value of P? In P over 4 is equals to 42 over 2. So let's compare. What do we think we have in common? What will I multiply by 2 to give me 4? I'll say 2 times 2 give me 4. So I'll still say 42 times 2 will give me P. So if 2 times 2 is 4, then 42 times 2 is 84. That means my P is 84. Because there's a relationship between the two of them. Whatever you do to this to get this, you do it to this to get this too. So if 2 times 2 is 4, then 42 times 2 will be P. My P is 84. You get that? Beautiful. 49. What is the place value of 6 in 2687? So let's do it. Units, tens, 100,000. My 7 is units. My 8 is 10. My 6 is 100. My 2 is 1,000. So the place value of 6 is 100. 100. And number 50 says, find the area of the shape below. Which shape is this? This is a rectangle. A rectangle. The area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So what is my length? 12 centimeter. And my breadth is 8 centimeter. So this area is 12 times 8. And that is 96 centimeters square. Can you see that? 96 centimeters square. So this is the area of this rectangle. You get that? Good. We've come to the end of the series. See you in the next class. Bye.